Yes, students, welcome all of you. Present, very good class. Now we will take different type of examples. Very important. This type of example, one example of each type I have taken is possibly coming in board. Any one of these will come. Okay. See now, we are knowing solving equations by substitution, by elimination, elimination two times, equating coefficients, yes or no. Reducible form, then cross multiplication, and also we, if you remember, we have written conditions. If a1 upon b1 equal to a2 upon b2, then both equations have unique solution, yes or no. Also we discussed if a1 upon b1 equal to a2 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2, a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2, then we know the equation is having many solution. Got it? And also we said if a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 not equal to c1 upon c2, then system has no solutions. We are remembering these conditions. All three conditions you must remember. So what are these conditions? Here heading of condition is this one. If a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, then unique solution. You are knowing this. a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal not equal to c1 upon c2, many solution, right? It has no solution, yes or no solution. Okay, and third is a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2, many solutions. Please remember these three conditions because they will give example. If this and this is no solution, then find value of unknown in these two examples. So we will take about that. One example I'm taking, right? Now see, students, now remember if equations are given, two equations are given, some unknown is there, they will give you some condition, right? Yes, I'm taking, see, find, I am taking simple example, find value of k, find value of k, find value of k, for which x plus bracket k plus 1 into y equal to 5 and k plus 1 into x plus 9y equal to 8k minus 1. Yes or no? See, in these equations k is unknown. Find value of k for which this and this has, yes, infinite solutions. Infinite solution means many solutions. Infinite means many solutions. This is very important. Infinite solution. Infinite solution, immediately you will say these condition. Now we are writing directly. See now, a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. Very easy, very easy. Yes or no? Now from these equations we'll write what is a. Okay. See, first write in general form. All terms should be on left hand side. Please be careful. Therefore, if there is no bracket and binomial is there, put bracket. So I'm writing equations again. X plus bracket k plus 1 into y minus 5 equal to 0. K plus 1 into x plus 9y minus bracket 8k minus 1 equal to 0. Yes or no? See, it was 8k minus 1, bracket was not there, I have put bracket. You have to put because we are taking all terms on LHS. Now you know a1 1 upon a2 k plus 1 equal to b1 k plus 1, okay, upon b2 9 equal to C1 minus 5 upon minus bracket 8k minus 1. Right? This minus plus. Please be careful. Now we want to find value of k. We will either equate both or equate this. Then we'll find value. Okay, depends upon us. Okay, so I'm taking this first two. See, 1 upon k plus 1 equal to k plus 1 upon 9. Cross multiplication. Okay, so k plus 1 will come this side, 9 will come this side. So see, k plus 1 into k plus 1 equal to 9. So square. Therefore, k plus 1 equal to plus minus 3. Understood? Taking square root on both sides. Square root on both sides. So see, if I take plus 3, k equal to 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. If I take k equal to this minus 3, then k equal to minus 3 minus 1 equal to minus 4. So k has two possibilities, k equal to 2 or k equal to minus 4. Understood? Very simple. See, in these equations, what is condition? That is important. Take any one of these three which is valid. Okay. Now I am taking second example. Please, you try your best to understand. Listen properly. I am sure you'll understand. Very easy, interesting. Okay. Yes, I am taking one more example. Little bit slightly different from this. Here only one value k was there. I'll take now example where there are two variables. Yes, please. Find value of C. Example number 2. Find value of P and Q. For which? See, 2x plus 3y equal to 7 and bracket P plus Q into x plus 2p minus q into y equal to 21. Okay, has infinite number of solutions. See, okay, now infinite number of solutions. The moment we read these, we must recall, yes, a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. So first, see, I am writing a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. And I told you all terms should be on left hand side. So 7 will come this side minus 7. This will come this side minus 21. Okay, some students are writing directly, but they are keeping in mind. So I am writing a1 c 2 upon a2 p plus q equal to b1 3 upon b2 2p minus q c1 minus 7 upon minus 21. Students are thinking properly. Okay, now minus plus. Now they want to find p and q, so they will need two equations in p and q, then only they can equate. They cannot equate these two. They have to equate this plus this and this plus this, then you get two equations. Now see, therefore I am taking 2 upon p plus q equal to 7 upon 21. Right, 7 1 7 7 3 21. Now cross multiplication, 3 2 6 equal to p plus q into 1 p plus q. Now again I'll take this and this equal. Okay, 3 upon 2p minus q equal to 7 upon 21. Right, now 3 3 are 9, 2p minus q. So 2p minus q equal to 9. Yes or no? Right? Now we got these two equations. We will solve. See, p plus q equal to 6, 2p minus q equal to 9. I am very lucky, I got here plus q minus q. I don't bother, I will cancel directly. Add. So 3 plus 2p, 3p equal to 15. So p equal to 5. Yes or no? Now I'll put value of p in one of this. Okay, I'm taking p plus q equal to 9. So p is 5 plus q equal to 9. So q equal to 9 minus 5, 4. Understood, children? So I am giving examples of this type for you to practice. I see today I have taken examples based on all my friends. Today I have taken example based on cars, vehicles starting from two different places, coming towards each other and moving along same direction. Okay, again I took distance covered partly by train, partly by car, partly by walk, partly by vehicle. Okay, that. Okay, also we discuss example based on numbers. Okay, we try to solve these examples. Videos are there, please you will try to listen to these videos properly. And also I told you example based on condition. Example read properly, write condition, according to condition, write any one of these three which is valid, and then equate properly. If one variable is there, very easy. If two variables are there, that time be attentive. You get two equations solved. Now I am making assignment based on all these three. Okay, please, then you will solve yourself. Fine. Thank you.